Today, we've decided that I'm going to learn how to ride a skateboard. It's my new goal for the holidays.
We're gonna wrap her in bubble wrap.
Yeah, as my protection because I don't have shin pads or whatever. And to help us today is our friend Megan. Say hello, Megan.
Hello. We're setting up the tripod so we can film this historic event.
We're very excited.
It's gonna be epic.
So if it's raining, it's outside. You can't really see, but hopefully
it's a great day down under.
We're gonna get me bubble wrapped up now.
Right.
Wouldn't have gagged you with a spoon, my own true love. Never really heard you speak the way it's unworthy of. Funny how the little college schools called language grew up. Funny how the other private schools there's no hopper club. Someone took a trip before you came to ski in the Alps. Your father moved across the country just to sunburn his scalp. Country cross the country, won't contradict what I say. Living like a French connection, but would die in L.A. Blasted from a disconnected light switch. Through the condo that they never finished. Bounced across the side of satellite dish. And through your brain to California English. No one sits inside a freezing flat and stays there to make. Sleeping through a stack of 80s to serve the UK. Way to win the winter gets your face and gel in your hair. Shivering little unshoes but don't seem to care.
So I'm going to attempt my first skateboarding thing. Let me take these off so I can't really see. Okay.
But I'm attempting to relearn how to ride a ripstick. It's gonna get my balance.
Okay.
Rolling? Yeah.
Should have moved them out.
Okay.
This may take a while.
Can you push me? Sure. Okay, the trick is be very confident until you're not very confident. I'm not ready.
She's so not confident.
You can't let go of me. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. Alright, turn. How do you turn?
You have to put your foot on the back one.
Okay. Like you push your feet backwards to turn that way. Yeah, okay. Now,
Practice turning.
turn towards me. Like this. As we move.
Alright, you're on the skateboard and then you push back and go like that.
Okay, now pull along and then
Stand up straight, don't bend over.
keep your center of gravity.
No, you kind of like, you don't bend over like that, you don't skate like that. So you skate upwards.
Like that.
No. But like when you turn, kind of turn with the board. Good location because Laura was very picky about the amount of space she had. So, and Megan. So now we're in the driveway and I'm gonna turn it around because she's gonna run into me. This is their failing attempts. If they ever get started. Alright, here comes Laura. She's getting ready. She's getting pumped. Here she comes.
Keep going.
Looking like a little, I don't know what you look like.
We need this giant sham wow.
Sham. Nice ass.
And it's wet. Let's go try.
Okay, Nelly.
This could get interesting.
Hold on 2 seconds.
Look at that. What is she doing? Wait, I'm gonna get a close up of this. How you feeling, Laura? And she wins the race. What do you have to say about this, Megan?
This is much easier. I think she should start with this.
Look at her go! Look at her. Laura, you know what to do. Alright, Lauren's gone back to beginner.
That's my excuse. I'm coming for you, Mallory.
Oh no! You're so scary.
I'm pro.
At falling off.
That's it.
This morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, never say never.
The marriage of Mr. Skateboard and Mrs. Ripstick. Ew! We now kiss the bride.